I thought that's the City Hall. Nandito pala.
Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin.
Good afternoon mga parts, at nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Aurora Boulevard. Yan, so it's a typical traffic dito sa crossing na to. This is one of the busiest streets dito sa Metro Manila. Sa side na to, yan, papuntang Kalayaan, nandyan ang Ateneo at Miriam College. Nandyan din ang UP Town and UP Diliman area. At bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, ito muna ang quick history ng Marikina. Marikina City, also known as the shoe capital of the Philippines, is located in the eastern part of Metro Manila. From Kilometer Zero or Luneta Park, it's about 16 kilometers away, which takes around 40 minutes to an hour by car depending on traffic. Marikina is bordered by Quezon City to the west and north, Pasig to the south, and Antipolo City in Rizal Province to the east. It's perfectly positioned between the urban and the natural landscapes of Metro Manila and Rizal. Marikina started as town in 1630 during the Spanish colonial era and was part of the old province of Tondo. Later, it became a part of Rizal Province. It officially became a city on December 8, 1996 through Republic Act 8223. The name Marikina is believed to have come from Captain Felix Berenguer de Marikina, a Spanish Governor-General. The name was gradually adopted and localized over time into Filipino version, Marikina. Though the name was used since Spanish era, President Fidel V. Ramos signed the law that made it officially known as Marikina City in 1996. As of the latest census, Marikina has a population of around 456,000 people. It's one of the smaller but most organized and peaceful cities in Metro Manila, known for its clean streets and well-maintained public spaces. Marikina spans 21.5 square kilometers, making it smaller than cities like Quezon City or Manila. But its efficient planning and infrastructure makes it feel spacious and well-organized. Marikina is composed of 16 barangays. Ito naman ang mga kilalang personalities from Marikina. Bayani Fernando, former mayor and MMDA chairman. Marides Fernando, former mayor, known for urban innovation. Imelda Marcos, although alam natin hindi naman siya taga rito, pero her iconic shoe collection is now on display at the Marikina Shoe Museum. TV personalities and celebrities like Drew Arellano and Iya Villania also madalas din sa area na to, since taga Rizal nga rin sila. Here are some must-visit spots in the city. Marikina River Park, great for jogging, biking, and riverside dining. Okay din tumambay dito at mag-picnic. Shoe Museum showcases the city's world-famous shoemaking heritage, Our Lady of the Abandoned Church, a centuries-old Roman Catholic church, Lilac Street, the go-to food hub of the East, and Marikina Sports Center for fitness and events. Here's some fun facts about Marikina City. Nabanggit ko nga kanina, Marikina is called the shoe capital of the Philippines, producing around 70% of the country's shoes. It holds a Guinness World Record of the largest pair of shoes. And also, it's one of the cleanest and most disaster-ready cities in Metro Manila. It strictly implements no littering and proper waste disposal, making it a model city for urban management. Marikina City is proof that discipline, culture, and creativity can come together to build a beautiful and livable city. Kung mahilig ka man sa history, food trip, healthy lifestyle, o mag-relax, Marikina has something to offer. And mga parts, we just entered Marikina City. So that's the Riverbank Mall. Yan, kilalang kilala yung mall na yan. Dito naman sa side natin, meron din palang Vespa shop dito. Yan oh. Sikat din tong area na to, yung Provident Village. Yan, isa sa may matinding pinagdaanan na disaster noong araw. And this is Marikina. Traffic. Mga pards, papunta nga tayo ng Marikina dahil may sadya rin tayo dito. So, sinabay na natin yung pag-cover natin. So, it's a good weekend afternoon at traffic. Malapit tayo mga pards. We are 12 minutes away from our destination. So it's a good afternoon. Ganda naman ng hapon na ito. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron talaga sa sunset at ako'y nabibighani. On our right side, ayan na yung sikat na Marikina Public Market. Maraming mafu-food tripan dyan. At malapit na tayo sa ating destination. In front of us, that's the Marikina Stadium. Kilala yung lugar na yan for sports events and other events as well. So mga pards, I thought that's the City Hall. Nandito pala. But this is our point. So closing na tayo mga pards. Medyo busy na dito pero malami itong mga takbo. Silipin natin itong mga bayani na to. Hindi naman siguro tayo mahuhuli doon. So this has been a quick stop or quick run lang papuntang Marikina or dito sa Marikina. So these are the mayors ng Marikina. Alright, so that's it for today mga pards and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, iligman sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both. Mark! Finally! Ganda naman.
Ito, hindi. Pangalawa yan eh. Nasa loob yung isa, binubuo ko pa.
Nice! Laki ng aso mo. Shoutout kay Mark. Anong items mo sa loob? Nasaan yung ano?
Ito na.
Yun. So this is for wagon.
Wagon.
Mag-fit naman siya.
Oo, kasi yan ang nakakabit sa akin dati eh.
Ah, ginagamit mo rin talaga. Ang maganda dito, kakaiba yung itong parang dito.
Yan nga yung nagustuhan ko dyan. Kaya lang, ang nagbago sa akin,
Oo.
kasi binabalik ko sa USD. Ang US kasi yung ano ko ito, sa loob.
Sige, tabi ko na muna to. Ganda nito pre, kakaiba. Okay lang yan, di naman yan ano.
Tayo natin.
Yan.
Ito to. Yan dapat gagamitin ko. Kaya lang, may USDM,
Nice doggy.
binalik ko talaga sa USDM.
Ito US dito.
Oo, USDM yan.
Anong
Pati-
ganyan?
pati-
Alam ko 20 ka.
Pati yung loob niya,
Oo.
brown yung interior.
Ay, speaking of brown.
Kaya lang, may
Kasi
mga,
aso mo.
may mga carbon.
Pwede bang lumapit? O baka umani aso mo?
Baka
Wag na.
makawala eh.
Wag na, baka makawala. Kung siya masira pa araw ko. Anyway, I love your project. Paano mo nabili kay Atom Araulio to?
Kasi merong shop dito na doon ako nagpapa-maintain nito Montero.
Oo.
Nakikita ko yan doon.
Tapos,
Tapos, pa-maintain na naman ako after 6
anong
months.
nasa loob dyan?
Kompleto.
Hindi, anong laman yan?
Ah, wala. All stock yan.
All stock, fish weld.
Oo.
Ah.
Pati loob niya all stock. Kaya ako binili dahil walang ginalaw.
Tapos, kasi fresh na fresh.
Solid na fresh yun. Ang tagal na niyan doon. Sabi ko, boss, ano ba to? Bakit tuwing babalik ako nandito to? Sabi niya kay Atom yan, bubuuin niya.
Anong
Kaya
gagawin ni
wala
Atom?
siyang oras.
Galing ah. Mga parts. Atom Araulio. Puti. Well, medyo madilim lang. Actually, di na nakita ng GoPro. Pero, ayos na. Lalo kong na-idolize si Atom Araulio since he has a good taste. So yun. Mark, maraming salamat brother.
Sige, bro, dinayo mo pa ako.
Finally.
Thank you. Salamat.
Shout out. Ganda ng project ni Mark.
Tagal pa, konti pa.
Ako marami pa ako. Marami pa ako abutin.
May dalawa pa eh, EG tsaka AK.
Yeah, soon. Thank you brother.
Sige, salamat.